if you're getting this notice on your Mercedes about your auxiliary battery malfunction, you need to replace a small battery that is located on the driver's passenger side of the floor section of the car. Now to access the battery, this is on the passenger side of the car, and you have to just pull this up, the floor carpeting down, and then here's where the battery goes. Now to access the battery, you have to remove this, but to remove the cover, you have to remove the cabin air filter cover as well. So this just like that. Since we're already doing this, let's change the cabin air filter as well. Just pull it down. Oh, let's remove this first. Pull on the tabs, pull it up, and it has those little hooks right there, and they just come off, and that's where the battery goes. So for the battery, you need, I think it's a 10 millimeter socket. Let's do that. Negative first and positive. Now unplug that ventilation. There's a little vent hook that goes in there. See that vent line? Unplug that from the side. The battery should come off really easily. The battery's out. Now let me get the air filter out. So that's both the cabin air filter and the battery. So I did get the battery online, and the air filter I got it for $26 at O'Reilly's. This is the air filter, cabin air filter. So this is a new battery, and this is a new air filter. This is the old battery, and this is the old air filter. This is the Mercedes-Benz air filter the car had. Last time I bought it at Mercedes. This time I bought it for half price at O'Reilly's. And it's the same material, same size, everything. All the dimensions are the same. I'm just going to install the new air filter. Air filters in there. Now let's put the new battery in there. Okay. Let's plug in the vent line. It goes the vent line in there. There's a little hole on this side. Push it in there. Put our negative in. I mean positive. Sorry about that. Now let's plug in the negative one. Screw it in. Tighten a little bit. There we go. Let's put the cover back. All right. Now the air filter cover as well. There we go. That's it for that. Now with the battery replaced, now that we've replaced the battery, shouldn't be any codes, I mean any messages. Yeah, it's 98 degrees in Phoenix. It's getting cooler.